Victims of sexual abuse in Pennsylvania are fighting an uphill battle to change the statute of limitations. Fox 43's Robert Stover spoke with supporters at the state capitol, including stars from the reality series Sins of the Amish, and shares why they support House Bill 1 and 2.
We are not fighting a religion, we are fighting abuse.
As more and more victims come forward, the Pennsylvania State Senate faces mounting pressure to pass House Bills 1 and 2, allowing victims more time to sue their abusers.
For the past 5+ years, the Senate has not passed this bill. This is a way to open a statute of limitations for victims of child abuse in the past years to get justice for the victim and also bring accountability to the churches who protected the child abuse.
Demonstrators at Monday's rally say one group often overlooked in child abuse cases are the Amish and Mennonite communities.
I think that most people romanticize the Amish and Mennonites more than anything else, and so it's really changing the narrative.
They have a higher abuse rate than almost any other church because they are so insular, they're so not thought about.
Programs, including the streaming series Sins of the Amish, have brought more attention to Amish and Mennonite communities and shed greater light on the alleged abuse suffered by women and children. But supporters, including survivor and founder of nonprofit Misfit Amish, Mary Byler, say additional action is needed to bring real change.
Survivors of child sexual abuse deserve justice. We deserve access to litigation. We are worthy of human rights.
In a study conducted by Byler in 2021, she reports 50% of Amish and Mennonite children have experienced sexual abuse. However, few cases were reported to authorities.
Bringing people together in commonality of recognizing that child abuse does not know any barriers. It is within the most insular communities and it is in the most secular communities.
Previous legislation aiming to give survivors the same rights, known as Senate Bill 1, passed the House and is now in the Senate. However, it has faced some issues after being grouped with provisions regarding voter identification and executive power. Fox 43 reached out to Senate GOP leadership for a statement on where the bill stands right now. Senate GOP Communications Director Kate Flessner responded saying in part, quote, "The House chose not to act on Senate Bill 1 in time for the questions to appear on the May ballot. It was not until the end of May that the House passed Senate Bill 1 after removing 2 of the 3 constitutional amendments. While the House decided to remove 2 of the 3 measures from Senate Bill 1 as it was passed by the Senate, our caucus remains open to the conversations about how to accomplish all 3 of the important constitutional amendments initially included in Senate Bill 1. If passed, House Bill 1 would require additional approval by PA voters and could be on the ballot by November elections. More information on each bill can be found on fox43.com. Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.